Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I think it's not morning. It's oh yeah, it's good afternoon, guys. Yeah, yeah. Anyway, we just step inside the house because mom went to salon to cut her hair for the wedding. So, okay, how's the curtains, guys? Anyway, what I'm going to do, I have to look for the address for the wedding. We supposedly go early, but forget that she have a dialysis. We have, she have a dialysis every week. Decide to go Friday. Yeah, Friday. I can't find the address. My baby's here watching me. Look, do you want to be in the box? You want to be in the box? You want to be in the box? Finally, I'm going to send the package. And we're sending it home to the Philippines. Yeah. We're going to send it. This is all the camera and phones that we don't use. Camera I have go to my sister because she like to take picture. This one is supposedly, I don't know. Yeah, it's going to take how many months, son? 2 months. It takes forever. Takes forever. And there's toys here. There is spam, chocolates, clothes for kids. Yeah. I'm home alone, guys. My husband went to pick my mother-in-law up from salon. While I'm waiting for my video to upload. No, it's already processing. So it will be up soon. And yeah, and we have grooming outside, so I'm waiting, so I can't go with my hubby. Anyway, it's the same day. It's the boring day. I'm so bored right now. Computer. Okay, my computer is having a problem. I'm receiving something weird. Some weirdness. I'll show you. Yeah. What is that all about? I have to shut the what?
Shut off the Wi-Fi.
Okay. Shut the freak off. Work. Turn Wi-Fi off. Okay. Now the Wi-Fi is off. I'll show you something. Here in the US, it's very nice. There is a mobile grooming thing for animals. If you can go out with something, if you can go out to bring your pets to the grooming house or something like that. They have a mobile grooming. I'll show you. It's a big van, guys. That's the thing. That's the one. The dog is inside. Somebody's cleaning her now. So it's almost an hour already, but she's not done yet. So we're waiting, and it's been raining now. It's not really hard yet, but it's going to, and it's very windy. So I'll see you later. It's just same boring day. What is that, Han? He's
What,
printing.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Don't make out to call them up. So there you go.
Well, it's me. It says for this for Tom available.
So that's the rules.
They're going to kill us over there. I'm in bed. My husband is sleeping downstairs. He's taking a nap. And we're supposedly going to Target to return the bag, but my husband doesn't feel like going out. Anyway, yeah. So I decided to lie down here up here and relax and watch my Filipino show. Ikaw lamang, sana may bukas pa. Sana bukas pa ang hapon. Yeah, that's what I'm going. That's what I'm watching right now. Ouch. Empty, empty. Jump. Yeah. Yeah. Watching show. I'll see you later. Hi. Of course, we're out again. We go to Boston Market. It's still chicken, but it's not fried. So, and they have vegetable choices there. I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with me, guys. Every time my husband's home, why I don't feel like cooking? You observe that, honey?
I'm the one who told you.
No, it's not like I don't feel like cooking, because it's just I don't like to be in the kitchen and my husband is in the dining room. Oh, this sexy car. Look at this. You see that car? It's very sexy. It's nice. I like it. That's a nice. It looks like a plane to me.
All American sports car.
That looks like a small plane looking thing. Like a powerful one.
They
It's like
gave it back some of its original style. Corvette used to be a unique car, and then they kind of turned it into almost like a Camaro. So they decided to give it back its Corvette look.
Corvette look.
About time they redesigned it to be because Corvette was like the sexiest American car ever made.
Really? That's very pretty car. It's like in the movie, like in the powerful, like it's like a Batman.
It was a very powerful movie. Very powerful car.
Baby powerful, like looks like you can see that in
four
the.
exhaust pipes.
Yeah, looks like. Oh yeah, it's 4. Holy cow! Looks like in the Batman car. Holy cow! How much is that one cost?
I don't even know what they cost now.
Like a million, you think? No, it's not.
Oh,
that.
why, hon?
What do you mean, yo, hon?
Million.
That's a very nice looking car.
Hon. $1 million for a car? Come on now. Are you a little ridiculous?
You told me because of course in the Philippines there's cars that cost millions, so I think.
Anyway, Philippine millions are different.
I know, but what I mean is I think it's we have it here too, like cost million. I fall asleep though this afternoon, and my husband went in bed and just keep talking. He doesn't even wake me up normally. He doesn't even wake me up. He said, they're just talking. Like there's no air conditioning in here. Like he wakes me up because of that. They're here. There's no sign though.